Let's go ahead and learn that new TikTok viral dance. In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. All right, so the way that this starts off is with the in a minute. So you kind of want to get into this like walking, pretend you're walking in place, but kind of throw your hips into a little bit more. And then you're gonna go in a minute. Alternatively, you can also do this where you can do the walking in a minute. All right, now this is where I turned it easy mode because I can't do the sentimental part. So what I do is after I go in a minute, I'ma need a, and then I just kind of do a body drag up. So sentimental, all right? So sentimental. And the next part is man or woman. So you wanna go man, so both hands, man or woman. This part kind of felt really confusing at first, but you want to think your shoulders going forward and then backwards. Think less with moving your hands. It's not this, it's to pump me up. So your hands will actually stay here, and think of your shoulders or your elbows going up and forward, okay? So forward, back, forward, back. All right, now the next part, we're going to do that walking again, and you want to practice this. So you're going to have your palms up, and then it's just going to switch your arms like this, and you're also going to move your legs at the same time, but we're only going to do this 3 times. All right, so feeling fussy. All right, this next part can seem also a little bit confusing, but it's kind of like a wrist roll. So keep your wrists together and just kind of roll them. So after the feeling fussy, and then I'm gonna turn to the side and I'm gonna do the wrist roll. And this is the part where I also turn it easy because my body just can't figure out how to move my hips in that way. So after doing the wrist roll, I bring my hands down to my hips, and then I just kind of shift my hips back and forth. So just like this, but I'm doing it to the side, just like that, all right? All right, so we just got done doing the fabulous, and then it's the I don't give a fuck part. So then after the fabulous, and then you kind of wanna go, I don't give a fuck, all right? So you kind of do like a lean towards the camera, and then your middle finger. All right, so this part, I kind of also turned it easy mode. So after we did the I don't give a fuck, and then after that, what I do is I put a lot of weight on this left leg here, enough that I can actually raise this right leg, and I just kind of do this back and forward. So get into that movement just like this, and I'm just gonna cross my arms in front while doing this movement until it gets to the part where 2 shots. So you're gonna go 2 or 2, whichever way you wanna do it, and then you're gonna turn sideways, and then you're going to hit right here in my cup. All right, so let's put it all together.
Rap.
2020 to TikTok dances.
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me wanna dribble dribble, you know.
놀래? 예쁜 애가 좋아.
Coming with a breakfast, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love.
Smoke they kick buckets. Ooh, he coming off way too pushy. I hope he don't think he was getting this pussy. He like his bitches psychotic. Sit on his face and explain why I'm toxic. How you talk shit but ain't backing it up? Your pussy wet, send it back to the club.
We're gonna go. It's about damn time to walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Walk front. 1, 2. Helicopter. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, big 2, drop it, 3, 4. And that's it. And you can do whatever you want on 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see it, guys.
Long sweep flow down my back. I want a picture with a baseball bat. Don't like when I talk like that. Please don't bark, cause Millie bite back. I huff and I puff and I blow down. Stand up, go sit down, put your ear up. I think I lost my consciousness in a sixth dimension. But I'm here right now, just sitting in a cloud. I'm here right now with you. China, I tell all my niggas, cut the check, bust it out, turn your goofy dog, pow. I'ma do splits on it, yeah, splits on it. I'm a bad bitch, I'ma throw fits on it. I'ma bust it open, I'ma go stupid and be fits on it. I don't date, honey.
Let's go ahead and learn that new TikTok viral dance, My Money Don't Jiggle Jiggle, It Folds. The first thing is, it's gonna start with the music, and she's gonna say something along the lines of, do you remember any of the lyrics or something like that? And it's gonna jump into the music. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna stand with your leg shoulder width apart, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop your right leg out, and you're going to raise your arms like this, and you're gonna do that, you're going to hit, and then you're gonna switch to the other side, pop out your left leg, and you're going to hit. And you're gonna do that 4 times. So it should go hit, 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 and then hit, okay? Then after that, what you're going to do is now it's for the jiggle jiggle. So this is a shimmy with your shoulders. So you're going to want to move with your shoulders. So what you're going to do after you have hit here, you're going to take a step out with your right leg. So you're going to step, and you're going to shimmy your shoulders. So shimmy, and then you're going to bring that left leg in, and you're going to clap, and then you're going to step out with your left leg, and you're going to shimmy, and then you're going to bring that right leg in, and you're going to clap, okay? All right, then what's gonna happen is you just ended here, but now it's time for the dribble dribble. So then what you're going to do is you're gonna step out with your right leg, and you're going to dribble, and then all right? Okay, so you just got done dribbling, but now it's time for the fiat. So this is like a driving, okay? So now what you're going to do is after you get done dribbling, and then you're gonna go ahead and you're going to move, and you're going to hit, and then you're gonna step out, and you're gonna move your arm in a circle, then you're going to hit, all right? So in total, you should go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then step out, and you're going to shimmy and clap, and then shimmy and clap, and then you're going to dribble, and then you're going to hand in a circle, and you're going to hit, step out, hand in a circle, and then you're going to hit, all right? So let's go ahead and put it all together.
Weekend's episode about rap.
Can you remember any of the rap that you did?
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. And you wanna dribble dribble, you know, riding in my Fiat, you really have to.
Before I put it in, I smack her ass. Pull out my easy, hit record, turn on the flash. We gon' make a movie like Ray J and Kim Kardashian. Put her on the block list, that's if that pussy trash, I'm Polo G.
All right, let's learn this spicy little dance. You're gonna drop right as the music comes on that first little beat. Then you're gonna go hip, hip, neck, hands, and then there's a beat drop down before you go right hip, right chest, left chest, twice here. Ta, ta, on that boom, boom. Hit right, left, that's right foot picks up. You're gonna drop your butt down, down, not up. I know you think up, but drop it down first, then up, down, down, flick, flick. You got this.
5, 6, 7, 8. Be gone, don't make her too strong. Get back, don't let my attack. Be gone, don't make her too strong. Move, you can't be classy if don't make up action.
Shorty said she coming with a breakfast cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love.
Made her ass a lot, all her baby Prada, she popped it for the $1. Don't stick around, she say this, but you can't hear my phone if you need some help.
It's about damn time. In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling fussy, walking in my Balenciennes, trying to bring out the fabulous. Cause I give a fuck